just got in the car with the Burekis. We got Doug introduction.
So, yeah, I'm Doug Burecki. Yeah.
Yeah, we're heading our way to swim meet.
Yeah.
Send me, I know you. Send me,
Darling, you send me. I know you. Just arrived at Hudson Yacht Club. We're gonna smoke this team in swimming.
Probably not. Nobody. Okay, nobody's gonna show up. Face it.
No, no one's gonna come. We're the only ones.
All okay, Joanne's here.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, what kind of pool? What kind of pool is this?
Is Jake boat or just his dad?
I don't know. I think Jake pool.
Yeah. Or the snoot. You know, there's Snooty
Look,
one
there's
day.
a jump. There's a jump. You see the jump?
Oh yeah.
Look at it. Look at it.
Why would they have a jump there?
You run up. You jump. You jump your ski-doo.
It's a wild flock of spearows. Doug, get your Pokeball.
See, there's a whole flock of spearows over there. I'm gonna grab a Pokeball if we can find it from a Pokeball. And we're gonna throw it, alright? And on this. And that's how you catch a sparrow.
Thanks, man.
Breaking into a yacht club.
Jordan, what's he doing? Make this so many times. Where'd he go?
Come here. No, they're not.
Do I have like an orgy up there somewhere?
And then just featuring Zach, I'm gonna run past.
I'm so sorry.
I cannot sleep. I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody and always. This sick, strange darkness comes creeping in and haunts me every time. And as I stand, I count it. The webs from all the spiders catching things and eating their insides. And that's as far as I can go.
L's for days. Rich kids. Yeah, let's go drink some water over there. Did you even film in your races?
Who wants to come with you for that shop?
Wow, signs of college right there. Tap hit off the keg. That's what you're going to be doing.
Stealing water from rich
Don't give
kids.
him any ideas. They don't already have.
About to go on the L dock, says no juniors allowed.
This is awkward.
Gang.
Look at his head. Let's go to the cellar. Oh my God, look at his head. What is he doing?
Let's go! Yeah! Swim!
Oh my God, that is close.
Yo, he's gonna win!
Yeah, he is. He is. Yeah, he's gonna win. Go, look at stop looking behind you.
Yeah! He won! He won!
No, Stella!
Darling, you